This is so fucking hell. So this is the mousepad which I ordered, and I don't like the fact that this looks black, and I hope it's the one okay, it says 02. Let's see. It looks okay. They really package these things really well. Okay, right. Oh. Yeah, it looks fine to me. Only thing is they haven't padded the sides. I feel like, I mean, if you compare this mousepad, they have like stitched around, right? So this one has nothing stitched around. It's quite open, but overall it looks pretty good. Quality seems good if I zoom into it. Yeah, overall it's pretty nice, but I really wish they would have put stitching around it. But yeah, this is pretty nice. Okay, so thumbs up for that.